Hi everyone, it's Elsie, editor of Aerospace Tech Review, and today I'm joined by Cameron Byrd, CEO of AIXI. AIXI recently won Most Disruptive Startup at our Aerospace Tech Week Awards 2025 back in April. So it's a pleasure to have you here, Cameron, to tell us more about your business and the impact you're having on MRO in aerospace. So to kick us off, could you just tell us a bit about AIXI, in brief, introduce the business, what do you do, how does it work?
AIXI's vision is no more delays due to maintenance issues. We accomplish this by leveraging the latest AI tech and applying it to the maintenance data that exists today. And then we deliver it to the proper users in a way that they can consume easily and make informed decisions on how they might fix a plane or what aircraft are problem aircraft that they need to focus on, etc.
Okay. So obviously in the past, these kinds of processes have typically been dependent on legacy tools and methods. So could you talk us through this a little bit? What systems have traditionally been used to aggregate MRO data and what sort of challenges come with using these?
Yes, absolutely. So the major airlines often build custom applications. These tend to be built on older technologies and don't take advantage of AI or more advanced machine learning. The smaller airlines tend to rely on spreadsheets, and a lot of them do hands-on work, which is a repetitive thing. So every month they're doing the same work on the same kind of spreadsheet, and it can be taxing. Finally, there are some commercial products available that service both the large and small airlines. Like the in-house applications of the major airlines, their core technologies are out of date and rely heavily on kind of NLP technologies rather than the latest AI. In all cases, these solutions don't address the underlying problems, which is the complexity of the data being aggregated. Maintenance records are recorded in a kind of English shorthand that is full of misspellings, acronyms, and various reference numbers. It's impossible to extract reliable information from that data without cleaning it first. And that's where everyone else is failing and where AIXI focuses.
Perfect. So yeah, could you tell me a bit more about AIXI? What are you doing to disrupt this field? And yeah, tell us a bit more about artificial intelligence, how you're using it, and why that's a game changer for MRO.
So we're starting at the ground level, like the foundational level, which any data scientist would tell you is the data. Good data in, good data out, like good results out. And specifically the maintenance records. Airlines have years and years worth of maintenance records, which are essentially it's a gold mine of data that if you can extract the information, you can start figuring out patterns. You can start seeing how you fixed things in the past and what worked and what didn't work, etc. So we started by cleaning up that data using AI. So we took large language model tech, which is what ChatGPT is, and we created a model that could read all of these maintenance records and extract the key information from it and standardize it in a way that can be mined by other tools. We then built tools on top of that far exceed any of the accuracies of other tools out there today. So other tools are relying on keyword searches and other kind of NLP tech, which results in so-so accuracies on their statistics. So ultimately, we have a prescriptive maintenance tool that identifies faster first fix to reduce the delays. We have an SDR tool that it automatically sends out SDR reports to the FAA. We can identify repeat defects either by aircraft or by fleet. And that allows like reliability or the maintenance controllers to figure out which planes they need to focus on any given day.
Perfect. So obviously you're still a startup and growing in the field, but are there any particular success stories or case studies you'd like to highlight of how your business has worked with other companies?
Sure. First of all, we've been installed in Southwest since 2022, so it's been a very successful project there. Upon installation, we immediately saved Southwest 5 FTEs. So headcount could be either reduced or put in charge of other things so they have more free time. Southwest also tried to have humans verify the results of the autocoder. Like they would code on their own and we'd compare the two. And what happened was the autocoder would beat the humans. And this was right off the bat, which was a great success. So since then, we've achieved up to 95 to 98% accuracy on all of the codes in the autocoder. We're on version 3. We've had early deliveries and we've reduced the amount of human verification that's necessary to clean this data. And we're now and we can do it in real time.
Okay, that's fantastic to hear. But in terms of looking to the future, how are you able to advance your business and develop the product further?
So we're actively working on several pilots with airlines of a variety of sizes. We're moving into 2026. We see opportunities to expand our industry-specific language model into more fleets, not just the 737. And we're refining our tool. It's the Ask Auto platform, which is kind of like a ChatGPT where you can ask it anything, such as what's the maintenance procedure for cleaning up a mercury spill, or how many delays have we had in the last month due to fire smoke detectors, excuse me, or show me trends over the last 6 months related to brake lock. And you can type in any question in free form and get the answer. It's very cool. Yeah, that's it.
No, that sounds really cool, really interesting. And obviously, to end on a more general question, how do you see the use of AI changing aerospace, aviation, and maintenance over the next decade? Obviously, it's a massive buzzword for everyone at the moment. So, interested to hear your thoughts about the longevity aspect.
Oh my God, it's here to stay. The airlines, due to regulations and such, as I've said before, have a ton of data. They know the data is valuable. They hold on to it very tightly, but they don't really know what to do it or how to do anything with it. AI is the way to unlock the power of that data, because if you know the history of your fleet, you can predict the future of your fleet. And soon all tools will have a little bit of AI in them in some manner or another to help reduce their costs and reduce headcount, and that's it, I guess. That make it safer.
Strong vision.
Yeah, they're gonna make things safer.
Yeah, strong vision for the future there. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Cameron. It was lovely to hear from you, and congratulations once again on being an Aerospace Tech Week award winner. So it was lovely to hear from you. Thank you.
Thanks.